Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a binary puzzle. The binary puzzle in today's newspaper on Monday, February the 19th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. Two of them I've already solved. The 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. One puzzle is left. I will solve this in a minute, boys and girls. And I've not so good news. I've told you earlier, we have in this newspaper no extra puzzles, no additional. So what I will do is in the evening I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition. Yeah, in the weekend edition we have 5 puzzles left. And what's the news of today? Well, today is day number 135. 135 days ago, another war started. The war in Israel against Hamas. And it's still continuing. The people in Gaza are suffering. A lot of children is suffering. They are very hungry. Starved. They are starving. And we can't look away. We cannot look away. We need to help them. But how can we help them? That's the question. How can we help them? All right, back to the puzzles. Binary puzzle number. This will be number 8032. And let me pull this there. I need some space here. Space, man. Okay. Oh. Okay. Number 8032. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Alright. Between the O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the 1's comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the 1's comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the 1's comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the 1's comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the 1's comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then, yeah. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double O, 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. No. Here we have 4 1s and an O between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but they do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Yeah. I need to think now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. Well, 3, 3. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Here, I need also an O and a 1 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Time for comparing. Yeah, I need to compare. Question is the columns or the rows. We have here 4 columns, 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Double 1. There's no double 1 here. Double O. There's no double O. Yeah. This one. Yeah. All right. The last column. And I believe this column. Let me compare. 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 empty box. 0 0 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. All right. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O here. This should be a 1. All right. Between the ones comes an O. 1 2 3 4 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1 2 3 4 1s. If we place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this first row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. 1 2 3 4 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1 2 3 4 5 1s. So the rest are O's. Okay. And now 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Need to compare again. Well. 3. All right. Question is the columns or the rows? Let me check for the columns first. We have a double O here. No double O's. An O and a 1 there. Here. Oh, no. Well, I cannot compare the columns. There are too many boxes. So I need to compare the rows, of course. Here we have a double 1. Here we have a double 1. Oh, well, I cannot compare this one. No. How about here, the double O? Oh, not the same. Yeah, the double O here. No, it's not the same. How about the double 1 here? Well. Not the same here. Double 1. No, cannot compare this one. How about the 100 here? Here we have 100. Yes. This one. And that one. All right. Let me compare. 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 empty box 1 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. But it's not helping me now. 1 2 3 4. Well, we have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be an O. This should be a 1. 1 2 3 4 5 1. So the rest are O's. Okay. And now 1 2 3 4. Need to compare again. 1 0 0 1 here. Here we have 1 0 1 0 11. No. 1 0 0 1. 1. Oh, now I can compare the columns. We have now 2 missing digits. Double O, 1 O. Okay, not the same here. Double O, no. Double 1 then. Double O and double 1. No. Should be the rows. 1 0 0 1. Yeah. Double O, no. 1 0 0 1 then. No. 1001. Overlooked this double one. Here no, there no. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O, between the O's comes a 1. Overlook this one. 10 minutes, alright. Maybe faster, but we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening, yeah. In the evening with the rest of the puzzles in the additional and in the puzzle page in the weekend edition. So have a great and fantastic Saturday. See you then. Bye-bye for now.